The battle lines are drawn between the Over-Herero and Nama communities on one hand and the German government on the other. The two Namibian communities are demanding that the German government acknowledges atrocities it committed and take responsibility to compensate the descendants for the dissemination of their forebearers. Rukoro accused Germany of playing dealing tactics in the matter, saying time has come for it to own up to its brutalities.
Once the legal papers have been served by diplomatic service on Germany, as described above, we shall have a sound legal basis for filing a motion for a default judgment. If Germany does not appear on the 13th of October.
This will now create a window of progress in the much talked about Herero-Nama case against the German government. At the same time, the Over-Herero Traditional Authority made it very clear of its intention not to participate in the Namibian government-led reparation talks.
We have rejected the idea of joining advisory committees or technical committees without being able ourselves as leaders to sit at the negotiating table and face the Germans across the floor. That's why, until today, we are not part of that exercise.
This gives more strength and focused attention to the legal process until it reaches its logical conclusion, the chief said. Jeff Tachihumino, NBC News, Windhoek.